Just that big. You know how your shit be sitting way up there, and then put a goddamn Magnaflow right there or something. A little Dynamax or something. Strong ass. I seen him pick up a transmission. So I'm going up there tomorrow. I'm gonna have them electric cutouts. Make a video.
Hell yeah.
I done got a video took down. I got my first video copyright strike. Yesterday or today.
The music.
It was one of the competitions at Yellow Belly. Murder got one of my videos taken down because I used the part where Bill was saying, yeah, Lookout tried to come get a shout out from me. And then all the wrecks and stuff they be saying I be doing, I showed them on my channel, and they got mad and filled out some paperwork and got me a copyright strike. I said, damn, this shit done got real.
Damn.
Shit done got real.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Yeah, shit done got real. My video got taken down. Everything. I said, ooh. But I had a copy of it.
That's all good.
I know what to do with it. I still got
it. Kill.
Murder, stab, kill.
Kill him.
Murder, stab, kill.
This is my dog, y'all. His name Cam Chef. I'm starting to name my dogs car parts, man.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
That look like small block.
Yeah. This Cam. You better come. Oh, he ready. He mad. Cam.
Oh, he's pissed.
Hey, shit. Motherfucker ready. Hold on, y'all. Put his ass down.
Scribble thing.
Yeah. Scribble thing, man. You know what I'm saying? God damn, man. That's a little aggressive little Cam Chef right here.
No shit. That's a bump stick.
Hey.
He's fired. Man, he gonna turn around and get you on the chin.
Hey, this is a goddamn that's a hydraulic roller, y'all. Hey, shit, get down. It's a hydraulic roller, Cam.
That's pit right there.
Yeah.
No shit.
It's okay, Cam. Hey, shit. Somebody said you better do tune that thing. Hey, I'm gonna take you to the tuner shop. You know they take forever. You better sit down. Okay, he calm now. I had to put 87 in it.
He's all hopped up on that race gas, huh? That's
yeah. That's that E85. Calm down, goddamn. What's your LSA load separation? Sit down. Too aggressive. You on the motor. Sit down. That's a good boy. It's good now.
It's a small block, but it's got big block internals.
Yeah. One of them 434. 434.
Oh.
So where y'all at, Limpy? You coming to Yellow Belly tomorrow?
I don't know yet. I don't know. Last time I said I was, I had some family stuff happen, so I couldn't make it. So I don't know yet.
It's too damn hot.
Man, I walked outside, man. It's hot right now. It's hot right now, man. My nitrous bought on 1,000.
Yep.
I had to put it in the house. Dang, it's been too hot, man.
Too damn hot.
I walked outside. My dog didn't even want to be out there.
It's 96 degrees outside here at my house.
96 at night.
What's keeping it hot?
My brother, he confused. He talking, what the fuck keeping it hot if the sun down? He confusing them all.
Like, what the fuck keeping it hot?
Like, what is keeping it? He tripped out on what's keeping it 99 degrees and ain't no sun. You know what it is?
You need to give that dog some of that OG.
Cam, come chill out, man. That motherfucker got his eye on. He mad right now.
He wants some of that.
Yeah, he's mad. Y'all didn't pass him the blunt.
No bad, Cam Chef.
Yeah, it's global warming. That's what it is.
Ooh, it's 84 in Florida.
Wow.
That's all right, though.
That sounds good.
That's that beach. When they at that beach.
Damn. That sounds good. I went and bought me an Apple Watch.
Oh boy.
That bitch counting all my heartbeats and telling me I'm in good health, man. I got 54 beats while resting. I mean, chilling.
That's good.
Trying to stay in shape, my little old self. So y'all got some where the mechanics said they work on cars. You got mechanics in Dallas? I ain't going no mind, never mind. All I got is a blow head gasket. I should be right after this, bro. I'm gonna fix that blow head gasket, make me a video, look like I put the whole car together by myself. They gonna say, look out, a bad motherfucker. So y'all put this bitch.
We already know. We already know.
I'm gonna say,
What you gotta do?
together, man. I got the video coming, man. I'm finna go on. Who I'm gonna let work on it? I need 3 people for 2 head gaskets. It's gonna
You'll
be
be
me
all right.
and 2 others.
You got
Big ass.
you got one doing the work and 2 helping out.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get the tools and shit. I can get the tools, man. I got that electric ratchet and some batteries. I should be good.
Walk to the beach. Damn, that's what I'm talking about.
Damn.
Oh, we 78 in Virginia. That sound real
That's
good.
where we'll be next weekend.
80 in Kentucky. Hold on. Bet that shit hotter. Let's see what it is right now.
Blow head gasket labor is expensive.
Says it's 86 right now at home, but the real feels 98.
Golly. Ooh,
Fuck that.
Yeah, he was smoking earlier.
what happened? Yeah, I was that's my boy Kangas, man. Getting my design ready. I got some new designs coming out. I'm finna start working on. I got my Dolly Magusta shirts coming out. I got my Dolly. Let me show you how. Let me find that. Got Dolly Magusta. Twin River.
That's where we'll be on the 30th.
Somebody's asking where we're gonna be at in Virginia.
Twin Rivers.
Twin River. Let me show him. Where my Dolly Magusta? Okay, boom. My Mac. Come on in here, Mac. Okay. Let's see. Okay, yeah, there it go. Shirt screen. Yeah, that's gonna be my new shirt design. I'm gonna have it looking like that. That's for all my Mexican compadres. I'm finna change this red and yellow.
Man, that's what's up. That's cool.
I'm going to the white and green, man. I'm going red, white, and green on it, man. This is for my Mexican compadres.
That's what's up.
And all they Theos and Abuelitos, we gonna all be on the same. Amigos and everybody.
All the amigos.
I've been learning the shit out of Spanish, man. They done taught me some new words. What's my new Sígame? Sígame. Yeah, that's follow me.